Mutadzi Ngaregererwe by Leonard Dembo. In this song, Leonard Dembo was highlighting the importance of spirituality in people's lives. Dembo understood that there was a higher spiritual being who was much greater than ourselves, and it only does us good to pray and give all the glory to this being who he called Baba, as in Father in heaven. With all the challenges the world is facing, Dembo is calling to the heavens above to say, "When are you coming, dear God, to remove all these troubles bedeviling the earth?" In rallying cries, he asks, "Vachauya here Baba? Riniko vachauya here Baba kuzotinunura?" In this phrase, it shows that some problems really require divine intervention from God himself. Dembo then goes on to show that while it is hard to change the character of the guy next door, he can change his own character for the betterment of the human race. Ndingapunyuke seiko mune zvakaipa kunze kwekunamata ndiko kuti ndirarame. He also highlights the powerful impact of a prayerful life. He is saying, given that people have become more dangerous than animals, how can I survive in this life jungle if I do not pray? This song also encourages forgiveness. Panouya wandofungira mweya wakaipa ndiye akanditadzira ndokumbirawo ararame. Sometimes in life, they are real or imaginary enemies, but may God bless them as I forgive them for my own benefit. He is showing here that lack of forgiveness only affects him in a negative way. In this verse, which highlights the evil that is rampant in this world, he says, "Ndiri mutadzi panyika anochiva nekuuraya," meaning the world is full of greed and murderous people, but only God can deliver us from this evil. He is feeling sorry for the newborn who is born around such evil, and even as the baby cries, tears are also flowing from Dembo's eyes. Ndiye karushava anochema zvomurwadza. All he can do is ask for forgiveness from God as many times as he can on behalf of humanity. He uses repetition when he says, "Ndinoreurura inireurura," showing that he asks for forgiveness frequently to the Father in heaven. The most emotional part of the song is the rallying cry of "Muchauya here Baba, riniko muchauya here Baba, mukati mehondo." Just crying, saying, "When are you coming, Lord, to intervene? Look at all these wars, suffering and poverty that have befallen us." This is one of Dembo's songs that goes deep into spiritual mode and shows how connected he was to his maker. Rest in peace, legend. Rest in peace, Dembo Mutadzi. Cheers.